What's up, brother? All right. Yo. It was worth the wait. Y'all hear Josh's car? Hold on. You gotta give me a rev, man. I'm so happy. I didn't even put tire shine on mine.
I just bought some.
Oh, what kind? I got gel though.
I got the spray liquid kind. It's chemical gas.
Okay, I might want to try that. Yeah.
You can try some. I got some. I just bought some applicators and a whole bottle of that stuff.
Okay. yo, not the real Will Smith. And we out here with another For Your Mother. No, not For Your Mother. But anyways, as usual, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe, Not the Real Will Smith, on Instagram as well as YouTube. This is actually an update video from my man Josh's Focus ST. Remember I told you guys that he got a new exhaust put on it. So we about to go see now. Y'all heard a little bit in the intro video, so y'all stay tuned, alright? So we kind of had like a little mini meet right here. Baby's clean, she not waxed. My man's Lancer right here. Y'all go follow him because he don't want to be on video, but it's okay. Yeah, yell out your social media to them. Oh, this. So I'm a talk for him. She low. He cooking them all. Said what's. See, he said what's good, y'all. He's laughing right now, y'all. Y'all hear him? Anything you want to say, bro?
Chef Low P cooking them all, you know. One chef. Your favorite
Okay.
chef. I'm your favorite chef.
He cooking. All right. Anywho.
Yeah.
Chef don't want to see y'all right now, so we gonna stay in this way. Josh, tell them your updates, bro. Talk to them real quick.
How you doing?
All right, tell them your social media.
Oh yeah, you can follow me. Damn, I don't even know my
Oh,
social
my.
media off the rip.
Bro, he's
Hold
the
on.
ghost. Well, let's figure it out.
I got you. Hold on. Here's my Instagram. Help me out because I'm kind of dry.
Okay.
Kind of dry.
Autumn's Virgo.
Yeah. Oh, I'm glad something didn't pop up. All right, that's good.
I'm glad.
Yeah, I'm glad too. And then there you go my Snapchat. You know, it's kind of dry as well. I'm not really a sociable person.
It's okay. He's social today. Y'all go follow him. Over here, this Dodge Challenger. See, that's a disrespect.
It's all right. Yeah. I wanted to charge it. But I got a Challenger though.
Scat Pack coming up?
Nah. It's a little sleeper. It's a show car. It's nothing special, you know.
He getting a supercharger put in there, y'all.
There you go. That's what I'm saying.
It's a secret though, so I didn't tell y'all. All right, Josh, what's up, man?
What's up?
Talk to them. Updates. Y'all seeing something different?
Just a few things. I got the new exhaust. I got the tune updated. Some more pop and crackle to my tune.
Pop and crackle.
Do some new lug nuts on there. Some 6-spline. Get rid of those trash stock lug nuts. They swell and don't want to come off.
Okay, you got lug locks for these or not?
I just those regular lug nuts.
Okay.
Has to have a special socket for it.
Okay.
I got short shift arm. I got some hood struts to hold the hood up instead of the little prop arm.
Yeah, point that out for them.
Right here, these little hydraulic, no arms, no. They go out.
Okay. His hood on bags, y'all.
Yeah, basically. Then I got a short shift arm. It's down up under my airbox. You can't really see it, but it makes the throws a lot shorter.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it. You know, this is the new tune, the exhaust, the hood straps, the lug nuts, the short shift arm, and that's pretty much it.
Okay, all right. Chef don't want to talk about his car yet, but y'all like it? Look at that intercooler. Anything you want to say, Chef? No?
You want something about your car?
So this is Chef. Chef drives himself. He's actually behind that mask. Talk to them, Chef. You are on camera. Talk to them. Chef don't want to talk to y'all, bro. I'm sorry. You looking a little mad, Chef. It's all good. Hey, Josh, start this up for me, bro.
All right.
With the bags on the hood. Bro, his windows come down. The doors don't go up, but the windows go down. Okay? I don't want to get hurt. Oh.
Yeah, you're not rattled. I need to get those other bushings for the hangers, and I'll be good to go.
Yeah.
But you want to see that window thing?
Yeah. Holla at them, man. Talk to them.
Well, it's what's it called? Global windows with the Ford Focus. I press my button 3 times. I hold it the 3rd time. And let me see here. I didn't do it right. 1, 2. Oh, wrong button. 1, 2, 3.
It's probably scared,
There
bro.
we
Oh,
go.
it got it.
Goes down and goes back up by themselves. Push your button. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's a little lag, but it's okay.
It's not instant. I think it's just, I don't know what cars all it does, but I know with the Ford Focus is like it's like a secret option. You have to unlock it within a computer.
Oh, unlock with a computer. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's basically in the software, the ECU, whatever you want to call it.
Mm-hmm.
Just turn it on, pretty much.
Who knew that? Can I open your door?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. This shifter is fire.
Yeah, that's the weighted shift knob. It's pretty heavy. I want a heavier one, honestly.
Okay. Didn't you get something done to your clutch, bro? Where it was like the clutches and
Well,
that's
that's been
like...
done for a while now. That was one of the first things I did. I changed out the clutch spring.
Yeah, the clutch
Oh yeah,
spring.
I got these Husky floor mats now. I got the,
There we go, weather mats.
They got one for the front seats, the back seats, and one for the hatch.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a little messy back there,
That's
but
okay.
yeah.
Okay. And you got one for the hatch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Got all my tools and stuff back here. For this, everything's brand new.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
All right,
Oh,
y'all.
yeah, the Focus is gone.
Oh, yeah.
No more Focus badge.
He debadged it. You tell him your technique, bro.
Oh, I didn't do it. As a friend of mine,
Mm-hmm.
he used some fishing line and just kind of went behind it and kind of cut the adhesive away. I guess with the fishing line, kind of just dragged it along between the body and the badge itself,
Okay.
and it kind of just peeled it off. Then we had to use some cleaners to get the rest of the adhesive off. Pretty easy.
All right. Hey, real quick, like I said, real quick update. I wanted to make sure I got this out to you guys. You guys won't see this till the end of the week, so it should be after the smoke and mirrors, car meet, and after the other car meet I went to, but I forgot. And then I did like a quick oil change. So yeah, this might be the end of the week when you guys see this. But regardless, I'll keep you guys updated. Anyways, not the real Will Smith. Peace.